So ngayon ako mag-announce, baka makalimutan ko ito bukas. So, meron tayong DepEd Order number 035 series of 2026 sa pag-elect ng mga new set of ECLG officers. Sinong nakakilala kay Mayor Alexander S. Dipas? Oh, kilala niyo na. How about si Kapitan Fe? Oh, galing! How about si Ate Shafi Miles? O, kilala gid, oy. Alright. So, si Kapitan at saka si Mayor, hindi yan sila magiging Mayor kung hindi sila binoboto. Magbuto-buto tayo. Ano ba ito, ma'am? Give me an idea. 4, 5, 6 lang? Or dali yan sila? By room na lang. Alright. So ngayon, kung sino, pupunta lang kayo mamaya kasi may representative sa kinder, ma'am. Sa kinder to 6 na counselors. Kung sino yung representative, ipapagto lang sa grade 5, ma'am. Grade 5. Hi ng grade 5. Kung sino yung naruyag na maging isang ECLG president, dalawang ka-team ang kailangan ko. Bumuo kayo ng dalawang team. So, papangalanan mo ang dalawang team. Ang isa, before is matatag team, and then palaban team. Naintindihan niyo? Grade 5. Tapos, bumuo kayo ng isang team. Mayroong president, vice president, secretary, treasurer, auditors, PIO, peace officer, muse, and escort. May ibibigay ako sa inyo mamaya ng papel. Fill-upan ninyo ang papel. Ibig sabihin, kuan mo as candidacy. Anong tawag dyan? Kana ang papel nga mag-fill up for candidate for candidacy. Naintindihan, grade 5? Duha kayo ka-team, ha? SELG president. Usa ka-team, president. Grupo ninyo. Before, last year is team Palaban at team Matatag. So ngayon, kamo na ang bahala, ha? Ano ba yung team Matatag noon? Matatag is, ano yung Matatag? Ha?
Matulungin!
Matulungin. M. A. Ano yung A?
Aktibo!
Aktibo. T. Ano yung... Alright. Yung representative na lang sa kuan, ma'am, ang papasukin. O, pabutusin sila. So, ano man, ma'am?
Mas mahupaya na siguro kung usa lang nga room, butangan tang 10 na chairs. So, first na masulod, 1 to 10, para ba yung nangyayari sa butuhan, yung actual. So, ma-line up here, matala dito. Tapos, first na nga 10, at lang magkakastit era vote. Tapos, pagkawas, pag-graph na ito balik, butangan nito. Baka ba, para ma-experience mo, actual na pag-voters. So, ganun ta.
Hello? Hi? Okay, bukas, 4, 5, and 6, sino naruyag og Vice President? Kaya ang President kasi nasa grade 5. Ang Vice muna, sino naruyag? Ha?
Ani man,
Sino?
ma'am!
Grade 5. Wala labot na ang grade 6, ani. Ang team, magpapakilala siya as, unsa yung, ano mo, pangga, sekretary ka pangga, example pangga. Hello? Chay. Anong naruyag nimo? Secretary, treasurer, auditor? Anong karuyag nimo?
Vice President!
For example, muse. Dai, o muse ka dai. Example man na iton. Okay, magpapakilala. Good morning everyone. Good morning teachers. My name is Chuchay Kalubay.
Clarissa
Chuchay, di ba?
Clarissa
Oh, Clarice. Running for Muse. Team Palaban. Hope you will vote for me. And I thank you. Susugad bukas, ha? Example. Sumamaya kung sino naruyag, may bibigay ako ng papel para for candidacy. Mag-fill up kayo ng papel. Naintindihan? Naintindihan? Grade 5, yan ang assignment ko sa inyo, ha? Bumuo kayo ng dalawang team. Grade 5, ha? Mamalayo na lang kung kuan, ma'am. Dalawang team para sa pag-select sa kuan. Basta sa grade 5, president. Alright, so more information sa Monday. Bukas, magpapakilala ang mga... Anong tawag ito, ma'am? Kandidato. Magpapakilala ang kandidato. Ayun lang. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, teachers. My name is Chuchay Kalubay. Running ba? Run for Muse. And, tawag nito, from Team Palaban. And I thank you. Ganyan lang, ha? Hello, naintindihan?
Yes, ma'am!
Alright, thank you. At yan lang, pwede natin.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Rainier Javen L. Caparos, and I'm 10 years old. Please vote for me as a president. If I win, I'll make sure that the school and all students are not naughty nor noisy, but peaceful and calm. And I thank you to all.
Ano ito? Loyal. What is loyal means?
L is for leadership, O is for outstanding, Y is for use, A is for adaptable, L is for lovely.
Alright. So, karuyag nyo ba si Kuya Rainier? Dili dong Rainier. Ano pag naugdong? Rainier, dili ka dong. Alright, palakpakan naman natin si Kuya Rainier. Anong pangalan niya? Rainier? Raven? Apelido?
Kaparus!
Paparos. Okay, dili ka doon. Next, the Team Loyal for Vice President. Sige daw.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Dane Kilog Al-Asidera, and I'm 10 years old. I live in Barangay Mabini, Mayorga Leyte. Please vote for me as Vice President.
Okay, please vote for him as Vice President. Good morning, sir. Alright, so, ngayon naman ang kanilang Secretary. Jovelyn Mancio. Nasaan si Jovelyn?
Good morning, everyone. My name is Jovelyn V. Manjo. I'm 10 years old. Please vote for me for secretary. Thank you.
Ano pangalan niya?
Jovelyn!
Jovelyn Mancio. Ano sila nga team?
Loyal!
Team Loyal. Next, our treasurer, Roslyn Broa. Nasaan si Roslyn? Wow!
Good morning, everyone. My name is Rosamond Guerra. Running for treasurer. Please vote for me. Thank you.
Right, that's good. That's the spirit. Thank you so much, Roslyn. And we have our auditor, Raul Crebillo. Binay yan si Raul.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Raul Crebillo, running for auditor. Please vote for me. Thank you.
Oh, kilala yun na sila ha. Next, we have Nathaniel Baharo. Di na yan si Nathaniel.
Ayaw pa ko sa ayaw.
Ay, pag tinawa.
Sige na, be!
Good morning, everyone. My name is Nathaniel Baharo. Running for PRO. Please vote for me.
Thank you.
Sige din. Ayaw ko nung pag tinawa, din siya ang tumawa. Alright. Thank you, Nathaniel. Next, we have our peace officer, Althea Cardosi. Di na yan si Althea.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, teacher. My name is Althea C. Cardoso. I'm 9 years old. Please vote for me as a peace officer. Thank you.
Alright, thank you, Althea. Next, we have our sport. Si Marvin J. Tindoy. Asan si Marvin? Di na yan si Marvin. Oh, palaban yun ni Permi si Marvin.
Good Good morning, everyone. My name is Marvin J. M. Tinday. I live in Barangay Avenue, Mayor Galete. Please vote me. I scored. Thank you for everyone.
Oh, permiginin siya magpa-vote as sport. Diri ka, Doy. Oh. Alright, our Muse, Karen Gail Tilio. Nasaan si Karen? Oh, igo pa balito si Kuan Liwad.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Karen Gail M. Tilio. I'm 9 years old. I'm running 2 years. And please vote me and my team and I. Thank you.
Alright, thank you, Karen. Leo. Si John Carl. Okay, mo grade 1 next year pa man sila ako ay. Alright, our grade 2 representative, Kayla Chanel, Shelo. Mo grade 2 ni sila next year si Shelo.
Shem, sit down, Shem.
I am Kayla Chanel Shilo and
Please,
please vote for me.
as represent.
Thank you.
Very good. Chanel, adiday, kaday. Next, we have for grade 3, Councilor Representative Jorix Browa. Jorix, asan ni si Jorix Browa? Di man.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Dorix Elbroa. Please vote for me. Thank you.
Alright, thank you, Jorix. We have grade 4 Representative Primo Argozon.
Boy.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Primo Berguzon, and we are Team Loyal. Please vote for me as a grade 4 representative, and I thank you.
Alright, thank you, Primo. We have grade 5 Councilor Representative Daniel Calupas.
Let's go, Dan!
Good morning, everyone. My name is Daniel T. Calopas, grade 5 representative. Please vote for me. Thank you.
Alright, thank you, Daniel. We have grade 6 Representative Prince Kamisik. Ay, pagsugat. Tanggala. Wala, kay hindi maganda tingnan.
Good morning, everyone. My name is
Sige na, Prince.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Rusty Kamsi. Please vote for me.
As grade 6 representative.
As grade 6 representative.
Thank you. And I thank you.
Councilor. Thank
Alright, so palakpakan natin ang Team Loyal. O, diri. Picture. Guniti. Goy, naog ka diri ako. Ubos. Goy, pagunit sa kamot, tapos isugad. Itaas ninyo mga kamot. Team Loyal. Gunit sa iyong kamot. Hawid dyan, hawid. Tatabi. Ano sila nga team? Ano ang ibig sabihin ng loyal?
Adaptable, lovely.
Okay, Team Loyal, mabuhay. Isang kamot, guniti ang kamot ba sa tapat. Guniti. Hawid pa, hawid.
Gunit,
Okay, itaas. Okay, ready, go. Guniti ba ni... Oo, sige, gunit. Abadaw. Di magpagunit. Okay, amo ito nila ang Team Loyal. Okay, thank you so much. Congratulations. Piliun. Dili ba sa left side or sa right side? Kung magpili mo sa left side, amo lang ang sisidan. Kung sa right side, amo lang, isa lang ang pipilion. Naintindihan? Alright, so let's proceed to Team Love. Alright, their president is Rian Pindot.
Please vote me as president. Good morning, everyone. My name is Rian Pindot. I'm 10 years old. Please vote me for president. If I be president, if I will be president, I promise
To do my best.
I help students that write perfectly. I will do my best as a president. Thank you.
Wow! So powerful kung siya man ang ating president. Grabe ang mga bata, kusog na kayo mo basa. Alright! Thank you so much. Ang ganda ng inyong plataforma. Miss President. Okay. So, kita diri mo na, Vic. Kita. Hello? Okay, kita mo na diri. Kani nga side, sa left side, kay Kuya Rainier. Sa right side, si Ate Rian. Usa lang ang inyong pilian, ha? Usa lang. Kung si Kuya Rainier, dito kayo mag-shade. Naintindihan? Kung si Ate Rian, dito kayo mag-shade. Basta isa lang. Uy, hello. Naintindihan ninyo? Alright, kailan tayo magboboto sa Kamasin? For Vice President sa Team Love.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Alice Alcamasin. I'm 10 years old. I live in Barangay Mayor Galite. I am running for Vice President. Please vote me as a Vice President and I thank you.
Alright, thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Nicholas Peter Hope. I'm 9 years old. Running for auditor. Please vote for me. Thank you.
Wow. Next, we have our PIO, Christian Neil Pinasas.
Thank you.
Thank you, Christian Neil. We have our peace officer, Bea Isaias. Palakpak po doon. Nausap po mga siling na rin palakpak. Alright. Dito tayo sa escort si Adrian Cabral. Related kayo ni Miss Cassie Cabral.
My name is Luis Gabriel.
Wow, thank you so much, Adrian. We have our Muse, Riza Pindot. Thank you, Riza. Now we have our grade 1 representative, Luis Gabriel.
Good morning, everyone. Louder, louder.
My name is
Grade 2 Representative Juliana Fame. Very good. Next we have our Grade 3 Representative Kyra Isaias. Oh, ang galing ko eh. Marunong talaga siyang magsalita sa front. Now we have Grade 4 Representative Zia May Valeriano. Thank you so much, Zia May. Now we have Clarissa Marie Calubay for Grade 5 Representative. Thank you, Kalubay. Next, we have our Grade 6 Representative Archie Isaias.
Morning everyone, my name is Archie Isaias. I am 10 years old. I live in Mayoga, Mayoga.
I am grade 6.
Please vote me as your representative.
Alright, so ang Team Loyal at saka Team Love, sila yung ating future mga president maybe, or mayor maybe, or kapitan. So maybe 10 years, 20 years from now, sila ang ating mga leaders ng ating bansa. So they are the Team Love. What is love? It means, anong tawag sa love ninyo? Anong ibig sabihin?
Leadership, opportunity,
And opportunity, give for value, give for
Wow, I love it. Opportunity. Okay. Magunit sa inyong mga kamot, maghawit, tapos itaas. They are Team Love. Sige. Kung sino ang inyong naruruyagan, sila ang inyong ibubutos on Monday. Okay. So ngayon pa lang, congratulations sa mga nagpatagan noong SELG officers for school year 2026 and 2027. Wow, palapakan naman natin sila. Okay, thank you so much mga langga. Pwede na mo kanaog. Alright, so thank you so much. Ang ating mga sample ballot, ganito ang kanyang mukha. Ang Team Loyal, kung sino ang nagugustuhan niyo sa Team Loyal, o isi-shade niyo sila. Kung sino ang nagugustuhan niyo sa Team Love, isi-shade niyo sila. Alright, naintindihan ninyo? Isa lang. Ilan ang ibubutos? Sa President? Sa Vice President? Isa. Sa Secretary? Isa. Sa Treasurer? Okay, down to Representative. So, yun lang at maraming salamat. Pwede na kayo musunod sa classroom. Ay, wait. Adi si Sir na yan.
Alright, hands forward please. Hands forward. Alright, so thank you so much, Doctor. So this is in consonance to record number 25 and our poster number 21 for our
SELG Federation Officers. To the position of Okay. Do hereby solemnly swear concept